trade is not that much complex. I'm losing on Mondays.
Hi Ali, how are you?
Hi, it couldn't be better. How are you?
I'm good, good. If you could introduce yourself to the community, tell us where you're from, bit of background about yourself, that would be great.
Yeah, sure. I'm from Turkey. I have lived in the city, which name is Adana. As I told you, I mean, it's the most popular food is Turkish kebab in the city. Yeah, I'm working as a project manager, the fourth biggest airport in right now. We are making it's a building now. It's gonna
Okay.
be done at end of the year. So I was quit actually like 3 or 4 months ago to be like full-time trader, but they invited me again, and I said, okay, let's back. Now I'm doing trading and then project management at the same time.
Okay, that's good.
Yeah.
That's a good combination. Have some kind of work income coming in while you're learning to trade. It's probably the best
Yes.
situation to be in. So it doesn't put too much pressure on you to make a living from trading. So you're currently trading part time, obviously. So how do you fit that in with your job, in your schedule? Do you trade in the early, late, etc.?
Actually, I have been trading like after Asia range and then New York section when I was free. Now it's totally up to job. I try to trade in this section, especially New York section, but most of time when I have a time and then when I see like good price action method, which I have been using, if it's match and I have time, I'm just setting up and then sometimes I go to construction. If it comes, it comes.
Okay, so you're a bit of a
Yeah.
hands-off kind of trader, maybe a swing trader, more than a day trader.
Actually, yes. Day trader. I'm a day trader, not swing. Actually, I
Yeah.
don't keep
Okay.
too much.
No. Okay. So what do you say you trade day trading? Do you trade any particular assets, FX, indices?
Actually, I have trade like Euro USD, Gold USD, GBP, and USD. Recently, I have been using like CHF USD and then Yen USD, Japanese
Okay.
Yen.
Okay.
Yeah.
So mainly spot FX then. Okay.
Yes.
Yeah. Okay. Cool. So any particular strategies that you use? Are you a technical trader or are you a fundamental trader?
Yeah, actually, not fundamental trader. I just totally technical trader. I have been, but I follow the news day too. News day is really volatile, and then
Yeah.
many times it breaks my whole structure. Uh, Actually, yes, I'm a like technical trader, not
Okay.
fundamental.
Not
I
fundamentals. Okay.
usually use like order block, like after the breaker candle. I usually wait to come back there and then little confirmation, change of character, and then I'll be in.
Okay. So
Usually,
you're an ICT trader.
Phantom better than
Phantom.
IC.
Oh, Phantom
Phantom,
ICT.
yeah,
Oh, okay. Very good. Okay. Yeah.
yeah.
So you've taken some of the ICT concepts and then studied with Phantom. Oh, okay. Okay.
Actually,
Good.
I haven't watched the ICT yet. I will. It's on my list, but I haven't watched his video. But Phantom, I finished part of him, and then we have like one person, Eflaut in Turkey. It's Turkish people. I get the price action from him, but he says I get some ideas from the ICT too. I mean, yeah.
Yeah. Phantom's an ICT trader. Yeah, sure. Okay. Maybe you could show us some of your past trades to give us an idea of how you
Yeah.
trade ICT concepts. Yeah.
What
Yeah.
I passed, let me see this one, and then let's check if you want. I mean, let's check this one, which trade I took it, and then I can explain what was the idea of this
Sure.
trading details.
So this is a past evaluation account. Yeah.
Oh, yeah. That's my past. That one was good. What was this? GBP USD.
Yeah. That's a
Let me
two lot
see.
two lot trade on cable. Yeah. 27th of
GBP
July.
USD.
Yeah.
Yeah. Sorry. Let me do this.
It's all right. Take your time.
Set 7. Right up here. This one actually, I thought. Yeah. Where was I enter? What was one? So there's a like zooms. Okay, tool. It stopped me and I get it out. Okay, 1 228. My close price, open price.
It's a nice trade. 129.8 or 128.8.
Yeah.
Nice. Very good.
And 9.
29.8. Where is it?
Somewhere it should be here, right?
Somewhere there.
I don't think so. That's the where we are looking. What was this? It's correct date, right?
27th of July. Yeah.
Oh, sorry, 27th of July. I thought 7th of July. No. It's 27 right up here, yeah.
Okay, that big drop there, yeah. Okay.
High. I normally, for example, let me see, what was the open? My price.
129.8, I think. Yeah. No, not that one. One. Number
This
7.
one.
Yeah, that's the one. Yeah, 129.84 was your entry price.
984.
Yeah.
Somewhere
Okay.
here.
So this is on the 15 minute. So what are you looking for on a 15 minute? Yeah. Oh,
Okay. Let's do like this.
Yeah.
So, as you see, there's a clear. To me, it's order block right up here from.
Okay.
I mark it up like this.
Yeah.
Usually. Yeah. So
it's a breakout candle.
Yeah,
leaves a
breaker
range.
candle.
Leaves a range.
Yeah, right.
Yeah.
There's a breaker candle, and then there's a big fair value gap in here. There's no trade in here for now. Let me make a range. Yeah.
Yeah. And
After this range,
wait for the price to retrace back into that. Okay.
Yes. But if it doesn't like this big, I have been waiting for this. But if it has a big fair value gap, it can turn right up here because many people are waiting for here, and it doesn't go usually.
Yeah.
And
so you've marked 50% of the fair value gap. Yeah. Okay.
For sure. Yeah. I usually do like this. It's the same. I'm taking the DXY correlation for this. Now I'm not doing this, but I usually do. When I'm making this, normally I have been waiting like a break the structure. I have been waiting like a minimum like 15 minutes or 5 minutes resistance supports. But when price comes to my region, I look to one or 2 minutes structures, market structure.
Okay.
So when I come here, right up this. So if it's breaker,
so you're looking for a low to get taken, price to trade and close below it. Sure. Okay.
Oh yeah. If I go to 1 minute, probably I will take like somewhere in here because I know it's gonna turn somewhere around here.
Yeah.
It wasn't a real live account. It was like phase 1, phase 2. I usually do phase 1, phase 2 like a 1 hour or 0.75, but in live account I do maximum half hour.
Half a percent. Okay.
Half. Yeah.
So where's the entry there? So I see the candle breaking down below, sweeping that sell side liquidity. There's no retracement there. Are you just entering after the close of that candle?
Yeah.
On the 3 minute.
So it's not. Sorry. In 1 minute, it doesn't show actually to me. Sorry. On my trading view, it's not the last version. I can't show it to you. In 1 minute, maybe it will show. So it's coming in. I hope it will. Sorry, 27 should be right. Yeah, there we go.
Okay. Yeah, so on the 1 minute, we got to close.
Yeah, so this one is the, it's change of character to me. Because it's coming right here, it's like equilibrium of the big range, and it doesn't go up. It's struggling right here. And in the meantime, the XY was the top of the somewhere too. It's gonna, I'm sorry, at the bottom, support. And it's gonna turn and it's gonna down. It's like correlation, reverse correlation. So I've been looking like this usually. It's one of my worst thing actually. I'm not the following trader. I try to do like trend trader. I have been looking at always the reversal trade, but I'm working on the to be following trader too. So there is a reversal up here, and then I took the something like this, and then probably wait like let me, and then let's see the
what are you targeting there? Are you targeting a previous low or what?
No. There is a liquidity big, as you see. There's a big liquidity. It's not tested, so it can go until here easily. I mean,
it's a low resistance liquidity run. Yeah,
but in here it can stop it. I mean, it didn't, but it can. It might be.
Yeah. That's the highest probability target. The end of the liquidity run. Yeah, sure. Okay.
Yes, right. And then we have the same thing right up here. So as I told you, it's one of the worst thing to me. I mean, if I can't catch right here in my trading, if I can't catch, look at this, there's a change of character too. But if I can't catch this, I can't enter right up here. I don't know, I'm scared a little bit. Maybe I don't know too much, that's why. But at the reversal, I'm like crazy, I can go in.
Because it keeps the risk reward in your favor, sure. You're looking to enter at the highest or the lowest points to get your risk reward down. Sure, I understand.
Even if I use like a half percentage, I always like look for 4R or 5R minimum, because as you know, if you are doing reversal, you can make a mistake like 2-3 times and 3R, but I have to keep like a 5R, 1 to 5R in this trading.
So most of your winning trades are 5R.
Yeah, right.
Yeah, and then losing trades, obviously you keep it to a minimum 1R. Yeah, okay. So basically you're looking for retracements into fair value gaps or order blocks, and then some kind of change in the state of delivery, and then you look to enter and target some kind of swing low resistance liquidity run, maybe fair value gap, etc. Okay, cool. You use previous week's highs and previous week's lows, I see as well, so you use those as liquidity pools?
Yeah, right. Look at this now. I have been waiting this one. It can go, I think, maybe right up here. I will wait something like this.
Sure. Okay.
Anyway. You want me to show something else too?
Maybe just one more trade, just to give us an idea of a different setup.
Okay.
Is that your main strategy?
It is. Man, what do I use? Usually like this, but after Phantom, he said if something like is distribution in here, if it comes here, wait for the equilibrium of this. I'm waiting this one too, actually. This is the new idea, because it's breaker. What was the name of this? Not breaker candle, you said something different.
Breakaway.
Breakaway, okay, If it comes here, I'll be in too. And the other one is my I can show it to you another one, because I usually do it the same day. See, this is USD out USD. We'll do this one at the same day.
Okay.
Right? Yeah, same day.
Sell again. So you're happy to sell correlated pairs on the same day?
Yeah, actually yes. These three are usually like euro out, GBP. If it goes up, all of them goes up. But
sure. You're basically using dollar strength or dollar weakness. Sure.
But for example, the Japanese yen and then CHF is different.
Those Those are different, okay? Yeah. Those are different animals, yen and Swiss. Yeah.
Look at this. This is like fresh to me. See, I took this trade because that's the change of character right up here. And then break of structure right up here. And there's a like massive candle to go down. It doesn't go up in a one candle. I have been waiting here actually, the indecision candle normally, but it didn't come. But I want to be in because it can clear like this open, what do you say, like liquidity, yeah.
Yeah, below resistance, yeah. You're looking for failure swings. You're using those as your exit liquidity, I guess. Any other draw on liquidity you use other than failure swings?
Any other liquidity?
Your draw is it always failure swing liquidity, or do you sometimes use higher time frame levels or
Sure,
gaps?
of course. Yes.
Yeah.
I mean, I just show it this one because it's a low time, but usually if I do like this, it's a daily. For example, if there's a big liquidity right up here, see?
Yeah.
But this is the stop point to me, one of them. Good indecision candle and then breaking out.
Yeah.
There is no imbalance right there. Look at this, for example. There is an imbalance right up here. If I took a profit somewhere here, if I take trade somewhere here, I can take profit right up here too. It may not come the liquidity. It can go up from here because there is a good resistance in here too. Like 11 times maybe tested, and then there's an imbalance, and I can take 90% of profit somewhere here. It's up to situation in the markets and then a little bit news, but I don't follow the news usually.
So do you wait for the US data at 8:30, or are you happy to trade before that 8:30 data?
I didn't get the question, sorry.
The New York data at 8:30 Eastern. Do you trade before that time?
Yes.
You do? Okay.
So, in my perspective, so this is I think, that one is a good example. Actually, there was a gold in a good example. Let me show it to you. I missed this one because I was working. I will never miss if I didn't work because this is my,
work gets in the way sometimes.
So, I don't know how to call this one as in English, like a diagonal resistance, something like this. See?
Yeah. Okay.
1, 2, 3. It's the fourth one is coming in, and I have known this. In this time, there is a new today, and then there is a support right up here. So, in my strategy, I didn't know the fundamental things, but new should take the gold up because gold is at the support level, and then there's a new coming. It has to go back because there's a big liquidity upside. I said, okay, it's gonna come. If I was on the computer, I can easily take something like this, because if in my perspective, if there is a good new, if there's any new, the price goes the other way of what it needs to go. Like it goes the other way, take the liquidity, and then going to the other side. I'll be really crazy in there. I was taking like this, maybe if I was at the computer. But I missed
so you
that.
saw the sell side liquidity being accumulated for a number of days. So you were anticipating some kind of run to the upside after that. Yeah. Okay.
That's what
so you would try and catch the low, or would you wait for that expansion higher first and then buy the retracement?
It's up to, as I told you, it's up to support. It's at the support to me, right up here. And look at this. It comes from here to here. Yeah. It doesn't go there to me because it has to go back. And there is a Fibonacci retracement, something like this. It's at the one. It's gonna support. It can't go up there. So I don't have to wait in this time. I don't have to wait the retracement. I know it's gonna retrace to me because there's a lot of confirmation in here. But otherwise, I have to wait because sometimes it's going down and you can't stop it. Yeah.
So the highlights, the green highlight you've made there, the green box. So to you, that is a bullish order block. Yeah.
Yes, sure.
Yeah. Down candle, expansion high breaks out. Yeah, okay. And so you're waiting for a retracement of that, and then
As you know, here is like a little bit manipulation because
yeah,
the technical analysis doesn't work 100% sometimes.
yeah. It's a liquidity run below the, and then price continues higher. Sure. Okay. All right. Thanks. Could you show your latest dashboard just so we could see your win rate and some of your stats? So this is your live Stellar account. This is your 50k Stellar account.
Yeah.
Okay, so
today wasn't good for me.
no, that's okay. As long as it's a managed loss, it's not a problem. So
yeah.
Equity is still 49. Average win 58.
Let me show it to details too, right? Like up here. Yeah.
Okay.
Yeah. Today might be a good day for me, but I was hurried because, as you know, I'm working now. I was going to construction. I just put the order and then let them alone. That's why I lost a little bit. I'll be careful. Maybe I won't use the 0.5% anymore because I'm not on the computer. I'll do like 1/4% per trade. Would be better.
Makes sense if you're in drawdown, sure. And it's August. August, you always have to be careful. Tricky trading conditions in August, obviously. Okay. So just manage the risk. As you're doing. Okay. Okay. Let's leave that. Thank you for sharing your strategy and the dashboard. Okay, so we've covered your strategy, looked at your dashboard. So indicator-wise, do you use any ICT indicators, or are you just marking out these PD arrays yourself?
No, I just use the indicators like a section indicators, New York Open, New York Close, London Open. That's all I use.
So just time indicators?
That's time indicator, right?
Yeah, okay. And then you mark order blocks and breakers yourself and fair value gaps. Okay, cool. Probably the best way to do it. So we've talked about your risk reward, pretty much 5-to-1, most of your trades.
Right.
So and you're risking about 0.5 to 0.25% per trade of your account, which is perfectly acceptable. So just a quick question on, you're currently in drawdown. How do you manage that psychologically? If you take a losing trade, do you take a day off? What is your process for managing your mindset?
Yeah. It was the hardest way to me to come here. Yeah, trade is not that much complex, but when I was in trading, in the beginning of trading, actually, it took like 1 year maybe. I said beginning, but 1 year is still beginning for trading. Usually. Yeah. It was like a lot of pressure, and I have been working too. That's why I quit the job. I focus on my job, and then I just, my emotions take me like out of technical analysis. I said, okay, no, it's gonna go up, man. You don't have to take a profit because it looks like good, but always turn. When I feel good, it's turning. So I manage now, but I put the rule to me per day. Even I do like a 0.5%, maximum I do like a 2% minus for 1 day. If I do like this, like 3 times minus, like I take like 2%, I said, okay, I'm seeing like wrong bias, and then take off from the computer. Yeah, and usually I'm losing on Mondays. I have a problem, like Monday problem for trading too. Monday is like complex, but Wednesday, especially Thursday, is a really good day. I'm like focusing more. Because there's a new and price is like a little bit taking like how do you say, drawing, and then I'm expecting something, but on Monday and then Friday, little complex to me. Maybe I'll Monday and then Friday trading to get a little bit more experience. Otherwise,
if the statistics tells you, maybe don't trade on Mondays. Mondays are notoriously hard. Mondays stay in a range. And then Fridays can be very difficult, especially Friday afternoons can be very difficult. So maybe reduce the risk on a Friday afternoon. So, look at the stats that you're collecting, and if Mondays are poor and Fridays are poor, then maybe just trade Wednesdays and Thursdays. You don't have to trade. You don't have to trade every day. So, if your stats say otherwise, why would you want to trade on a Monday if it's a poor winning day? It's plus it allows you to focus on your work on a Monday. I agree. this is the benefit of backtesting, collecting stats. You can then see what are the best days for trading, or what are your best days for trading when you're trading the assets that you're trading. So, okay, cool. It's good that. Anything else you can help with struggling traders? Any other sort of suggestions you can help for people who are struggling to get funded?
Yeah, I mean, it's about the money too, but I can offer them this idea. They can take a 1% risk. Many of my friends are trading really good, but they haven't passed any a stellar account, because they're taking a really less, a 0.2 or 0.3% risk, and they're getting a 1%, and they said, oh, okay, it's going good, and then they put 1%, 2%, and they lost it out.
Lose a lot,
they lose them all. But they can take a little bit risk from the beginning of the account. If you're gonna lose it right now, but if you're gonna pass, you will be happy. That's why they take a little bit high risk. High means 1% maximum to me, and then after the second phase you can take a maximum 0.5%. But if you pass a 2 or 3 steps, and then you get 4% up, okay, you can take a quarter risk. You feel free, because you have a lot of chance to have mistake if you get a quarter after some rewards. That's the suggestion. I pass all of them like this.
Okay, so you've noticed some of your colleagues who are struggling to trade, these are the mistakes they're making. They're trading too small, and then they're risking too much, and then blowing everything up. So your suggestion is basically to be consistent with your risk management.
Not constant for the phase 1 and phase 2. To me, you can take a little bit higher risk, a 0.25% more, or 0.5% more, the beginning of the story, and then you have to be constantly after this. But because the beginning can give you if you pass this one, you will have the more chance after you get consistency. I can't translate it, sorry.
No, I understood. So some good advice for traders out there who are struggling with risk management, which is one of the most important things with trading. So any suggestions for FundedNext, how they could improve the evaluation accounts on the Stellar?
I have a big one.
Go on. Okay, go on.
You need to open, I can't find US 100, and then maybe you open the crypto site too, would be good for us. And then that's all. You can make more options to us. But
okay, so more assets. You'd like to be able to trade crypto, and what was the first suggestion? Indices.
I didn't see indices. United States 100. I didn't see.
You can trade Nasdaq and SP 500.
Like this.
You can trade the 3 indices. You can trade US 30, you can trade US 100, and you can trade US 500 with FundedNext. You still there, Ali?
Oh yeah, I thought the internet was.
You broke up for a second. No, okay. No, you're back now. So no, I was just saying you can trade all 3 major indices, US 30, 500, and the US 100 with FundedNext. They have a CFD offering on both of those. So, okay. So you basically you would like to be able to trade crypto.
I was, but after FundedNext, I haven't traded any crypto, because I like the forex too. Forex is better, working constant. But crypto is especially a low cap coins. Crazy. You have to be lucky. But in Euro GBP, it's more professional to have trade.
They're more liquid assets for sure. Less likely to stop you out. Sure.
That's right.
Okay. Well, thanks, Ali. Thanks for taking the time to talk to us. Good luck with the Stellar account.
Okay.
Speak to you again once you've passed that one.
Thank you so much. Having time too, and then sparing your time to me. And then I say thank you to FundedNext too for this. There's a really low slippage, and then your data is faster than TradingView, and then it's really look us more professional. We are trusting the price, what I see on there. But in some other company I worked on this, it's like data is coming late, and then many times it doesn't take my entries. But this one, FundedNext always took the entry if it is in the price. Really, I appreciate for this.
No, it's a good environment. It's a great environment. We have very top tier liquidity providers, much better than any 8-cap prop firms out there. So
especially 8-cap, right? So
best not to use 8-cap brokers if you can help it. I'm sure they'll be glad to hear that. So thanks for your time again, and speak to you soon. Okay.
Okay. Have a good one.
Bye.
Thanks. Bye.
Thanks. Bye, Ali. Bye.
Bye.